Chocolate, just the word alone, is enough to evoke feelings of comfort, delight, and even a little bit of excitement. Whether it's a rich, dark square that melts slowly on your tongue, a creamy milk chocolate bar that reminds you of childhood, or a decadent slice of chocolate cake, there's something universally appealing about this sweet treat. But have you ever wondered why we love chocolate so much? Let's dive into the science, psychology, and cultural significance behind our deep affection for chocolate. Chocolate is more than just a sweet indulgence. It's a complex food that interacts with our brain in fascinating ways. When we eat chocolate, it triggers the release of several chemicals in our brain, including dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins, often referred to as the feel-good chemicals. This neurotransmitter is associated with the pleasure and reward centers of the brain. When we eat chocolate, dopamine levels spike, making us feel happy and satisfied. Known as the happiness hormone, serotonin helps regulate mood. The presence of tryptophan, an amino acid found in chocolate, contributes to serotonin production, which can improve mood and even act as a mild antidepressant. These natural painkillers are released during pleasurable activities, including eating chocolate. They reduce stress and create a sense of well-being. Furthermore, chocolate contains small amounts of caffeine and theobromine, which can provide a mild energy boost and enhance alertness. The combination of these chemical effects makes chocolate not just a treat, but a mood enhancer. For many of us, chocolate is more than just a flavor. It's an emotional experience. From a psychological standpoint, chocolate is often associated with comfort, warmth, and positive memories. This association begins in childhood, when many of us are introduced to chocolate in celebratory or comforting contexts, such as birthdays, holidays, or after a rough day. Chocolate is often classified as a comfort food, a term that refers to foods that provide a sense of well-being, often through nostalgic or sentimental associations. The creamy texture and sweet taste of chocolate can be incredibly soothing, making it a go-to treat during stressful times. We often reward ourselves with chocolate, whether it's a small treat after a long day or a decadent dessert after a special meal. This act of rewarding ourselves with chocolate reinforces its positive associations in our minds. Chocolate has a rich history and cultural significance that spans centuries and continents. Originally consumed by ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans as a bitter beverage, chocolate was once considered a luxury item reserved for the elite. Over time, it evolved into the sweet treat we know today, becoming a staple in various cultures around the world. In many cultures, chocolate plays a central role in celebrations. Think of Valentine's Day, where chocolates are exchanged as symbols of love, or Easter, where chocolate eggs are eagerly anticipated by children. These cultural practices have further ingrained chocolate in our lives as a symbol of joy and festivity. Chocolate is often associated with luxury and indulgence. High-quality chocolate, particularly dark chocolate, is savored for its complex flavors and is often presented as a premium product. This association with luxury can make eating chocolate feel like a special, indulgent experience. While chocolate is often considered a guilty pleasure, there's growing evidence that it can have health benefits, particularly when it comes to dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which have been linked to various health benefits. Flavonoids in dark chocolate have been shown to improve heart health by reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving blood flow. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in dark chocolate can improve brain function, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. As mentioned earlier, chocolate can improve mood by increasing serotonin and dopamine levels. Additionally, the magnesium content in chocolate can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. While it's important to consume chocolate in moderation due to its calorie and sugar content, the potential health benefits provide a satisfying reason to indulge from time to time. It's impossible to discuss our love for chocolate without mentioning the role of marketing and media. Over the years, chocolate has been marketed as the ultimate indulgence, a symbol of love, and a treat that's impossible to resist. Advertisements often feature images of people savoring chocolate in moments of pure bliss, further reinforcing the idea that chocolate is something to be desired. Many advertisements and movies have solidified the connection between chocolate and romance. The image of a box of chocolates as a romantic gift is deeply ingrained in popular culture, making chocolate synonymous with love and affection. Companies capitalize on holidays like Valentine's Day, Easter, and Christmas to boost chocolate sales. Special packaging, limited edition flavors, and themed advertising campaigns all contribute to the heightened demand for chocolate during these times. At the end of the day, our love for chocolate is also deeply personal. Everyone has their own preference when it comes to chocolate, whether it's dark, milk, or white, with nuts, fruits, or pure and unadulterated. These preferences are often shaped by our individual experiences, memories, and tastes. The smooth texture and rich flavor of chocolate can create a sensory experience that many find irresistible. Whether you prefer the bitterness of dark chocolate or the creaminess of milk chocolate, the sensory experience is a big part of why we love chocolate. For some, chocolate represents a guilty pleasure, something to be enjoyed in secret or in moderation. This sense of indulgence can make the act of eating chocolate even more enjoyable, as it becomes a special treat rather than an everyday snack. Our love for chocolate is a complex blend of biology, psychology, culture, and personal preference. It's a food that not only tastes good but also makes us feel good, both physically and emotionally. Whether you're indulging in a piece of fine dark chocolate or enjoying a comforting cup of hot cocoa, chocolate has a unique ability to bring joy and satisfaction. So the next time you reach for a piece of chocolate, remember that your love for this sweet treat is not just a simple craving. It's a deep, multifaceted connection that's been centuries in the making. And that's something worth savoring.